Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Earth and Capricorn, your person current feelings and their actions. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is from June 21st to June 30th. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Capricorn. Okay, let's see. Eight of Cups, the Magician and the Hermit. Your person want to manifest you again in their connection because there is separation between both of you, but your person is thinking rather than taking action towards you because the Hermit is spiritually awakening. They are thinking a lot but not taking action, but they want to manifest you again this connection and they want to offer everything to you. After you gone, you walked away. That's why your person is thinking, or your person could be walked away from your situation for some. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Your person near future actions towards you. The Sun. Wow. Two cards. The Swords. Ace of Wands. Healing. King of Cups. Yes, they want to offer this cup of love to you, and the Sun and the Source, Ace of Swords. They want a brand new beginning with you. They will come towards you and offer this King of Cups to you. As they want to heal this connection and they want to heal you because they are happy with you. Without you, they are not happy. So definitely they want to come towards you and offer a brand new beginning, Capricorn. So let's pull some cards from universe. Experience. Three of Wands. We are the world. Ten of Pentacles. The burden. Six of Swords. And the last card, Two of Swords. I think your person at some crossroads between you and their career, whatever. They are clinging between two. And experience. Three of Wands. This could be long distance relationship for sure because Six of Swords here and Three of Wands here. Waiting. One person is waiting for another person to take action towards them. And Ten of Pentacles. I think your person want to offer stability to this connection and experience. Definitely Three of Experience, Three of Wands. They want to offer commitment to you, this long distance relationship. Yes, they want to offer brand new beginning with you. The healing, they want to offer this cup of love to you, Capricorn. Yes, your person is coming. So there is separation in past. So they want to end this separation. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.